Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jess of Air, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a haul. This is actually my Christmas present from my sister Ashley, and she did such an amazing job getting this stuff for me. Like, this is literally everything that I can use in my shop, and she purchased it from the company SHEIN, or SHEIN, SHEIN. I think is how it's spelled. They sell these Seafoam palettes, and I looked to see just how much these were a piece, because she got me two, and they're only $6 a piece. That's really not that bad. So this one has awesome sparkles. We got Supernova, Flamboyant, Iris, Gold, Fresh, Fountain, Fawn, Daily Routine, or Biscay Green. And that is the Breeze palette. And over here we got the Seafoam palette. And she knows me so well because she knows I like my blues and my purples. Ooh, Blue Hawaii. That is beautiful. Let's see if we can get a better shot. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Yeah, okay, this is awesome. I'm so grateful. Alright, so she also got me some baggies. How pretty. I didn't even know that this place existed, and now I'm like, I need to go buy all of my business packaging needs. And some Maggies. It said random color, so I'm guessing they sent the rest of their Christmas color. But that's okay. And then these other little baggies that have these polka dots on them. I'm not even joking. I was literally just going to buy these the other day on Mercari. And then I got them, so that's so cool. I don't have to buy them. And then we get into, let's do, I guess, the thank you stuff. Little thank you tags. And then stickers. I think there's about 4 sheets of all thank you. And they all have this same design, 4 different designs. And some little flowers. They're, you know, fake, but it'll look good in some resin or something. This is clear stretchy string. That's awesome. I'm never going to run out. Bodie and I are going to make a lot of bracelets. She also got this handmade ribbon. Nice. I'm not sure what I would put this on yet, but maybe anytime I wrap a package and then put it in a box, I'll wrap the package. That's so cute. Okay, so this is seriously so awesome. Obviously, it's not real, but it sure looks real. And it's in all the different colors. Thank you! And it comes with containers. And then last but not least, these little clear... They might have a little bit of iridescent shine going on in there. But she knows I use these for my projects. So thank you so much. Ashley, thank you so much for getting me all these things, and thank you guys for watching this video. I would say that this is obviously about the quality that you'd imagine that Wish would be, but it is the items that she ordered, and they're all here, so I can't complain about that. I think that you get a decent amount of things for what you pay for. These eyeshadow palettes are amazing. Let's do this really quick. And some pink. So it's not super pigmented, but, you know, there's sparkle there. Let's try this green. Okay, it's kind of dusty. I mean, for $6, what do you expect? But if you are low budget and you need some eyeshadow to experiment with, they had so many different kinds. Like, oh, that's going to be my favorite. Alright, thank you guys for watching. see you in my next video. Bye-bye.